Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 4 of Mathematics Learning Assessment. The member is me, Arina Syarifatul Hidayah, and my friends Lutfi Anggita Wicaksono Aji. We will present about test item analysis theoretically. First is test item analysis. The definition of test item analysis. Analysis is a decomposition of a subject on its various parts and study parts themselves and the relationship between the parts to obtain the right and overall meaning understanding. Item analysis is carried out on an empirical basis. It means that the analysis can only be done if a test has been carried out and the results of the answer on the items we have obtained. Item analysis is an analytical activity to determine the level of goodness of the items contained in a test, so that the resulting information can be used to improve the questions and the test. The purpose of item analysis: to find out the strength and weakness of the test items, so that selection can be made and revision of items. Next is to prove complete information about the item specification, so that will make it easier for question makers in compiling the set of questions to be asked meet the needs of examination in certain fields and levels. Next, to immediately find out the problems contained in the questions, such as ambiguity of items, error in placing the answer key, questions that are too difficult and too easy, or questions that have low discrepancy. This problem, if known immediately, it will be possible for the question maker to make a decision whether the problematic item will be dropped or revised to determine student value. Next, to be used as a tool to assess the items that will be stored in a collection of questions. Next, to obtain information about the items so that it is possible to compiling several sets of parallel questions. Device setup like this very useful when going to re-exam or measure ability several groups of test takers at the different times. Next, review and examine each item in order to obtain quality question before use. Next, improving the quality of the items through revision or removing ineffective questions. And the last, drawing diagnostic information on students whether they have understood the material that has been taught. The next is test item analysis theoretically. The technique of test item analysis. The first is moderator technique. The moderator technique is to analyze by means of discussion in which there is one person in the middle. Based on the technique, each item discussed together with several experts such as teachers who teaching materials, material experts, curriculum compilers or developers, expert assessment, linguists, psychology background. This technique is very good because each item is seen together based on the rules of writing. The second is panel technique. The panel technique is a technique for examining items based on writing rules question item. The rules include material, construction, language or culture, truth of the answer key, or scoring guidelines under by the reviewers. The method are the method there are several reviewers given the items to be studied, the format review and guidelines for the assessment or study. The next will be presented by Lutfi.
Okay, thank you, Arina. I will present the next material. So the next is aspects of test item analysis. So theoretically or quantitative test item analysis aims to determine the quality of the items from the aspect of material, construction, and language use. So related material aspects with the scientific substance in question and the level of thinking involved. Aspect of construction relates to the techniques of writing questions, and the language aspect relates to clarity of the question as so qualitative item review can use the format review of the items developed by the Ministry of National Education and it is implementations. It involves expert or colleagues who master the field of science, grammar, and evaluations. Next is test item analysis material. So in reviewing each test item, the reviewer needs to prepare supporting material such as test grid, curriculum that being used, book source, and Kamus Bahasa Indonesia. Next. So test item analysis. So the way to analyze the test item is that some of the reviewers are given the test items to be reviewed by the reviewer. The format of the review and guidelines for the assessment or review. In the early stage, all involved people in the review activities have the same perception. Then they are involved work independently in different places. The question review format is used as the basis for analyzing each test item. So the question review format in question is the item review format that is essay, multiple choice, action test, and non-test instrument. So for the review format, you can see the format in our paper. So that is essay review format, multiple choice review format, action test review format, and also non-test instrument review format. The benefits of analyzing question item. According to Anastasia and Urbina at 1997 in Suparananto 2012, analyzing question items has many benefits, including the first one is assist test users in evaluating the quality of the test used. The next is relevant for composing an informal test that be prepared by teacher for student in the class. Next is support for composing effective question items, and then materially can improve the test in class, improving question validity and reliability. The next is determining questions that are defective or not functioning properly, and then improving items through three components of analysis, namely level of difficulty, differentiator power, and a distraction. And the last is revising questions that are not relevant to the material being taught, marked by the number of children who cannot answer certain questions. So that's all for our presentation. If you have any question or comment, feel free to ask in our group. So thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.